Just a quick little update on the Jeep. Got the shackles off here, so I'm ready to start repairing this frame. But so yeah, this is going well. I already got some templates made for the frame pieces to replace. All the painting done, other than where the new spa is going to be. But that's not why we're here. We're here for this. So this is my new project. Got it off of Buddy. It's a 1981 Honda CB750. There is a lot of things I need to replace. I do have the carburetor. I got a couple carburetors anyways, and I'll rebuild whichever one I end up using. But I need to get the battery box, some ignition modules, and some front turn signals, at least. And then as I get into it, I'll be able to know what else I'm going to be needing. But this is going to be mostly a winter project. I need to get the Jeep done, and I've got the metal ordered, so when that comes in, I'd like to attack the bus and get that all enclosed and everything for winter. Hopefully have it painted by then, so then it's just interior work with, yeah, we've got a lot of research to do. I just wanted to make this little introduction video and get this cleaned up and kind of end it with that.